Hi friends, welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I will show you how to make Sukiyaki in Kansai style. This is the fourth and the last of the requested series. Thank you so much. Some of you may know Sukiyaki is one of the most famous Japanese cuisine in the world. We eat this delicious hot pot on the special occasion like birthday or family gathering or New Year's Eve. Actually, this is so easy to make. You just want to prepare the ingredients and cook on the dining table. Let's get started with preparing the ingredients. Cut the onions into 1 cm width crosswise. Remove the stems from the enoki mushrooms. Pre-boil the yam noodle and then cut into easy-to-eat lengths by kitchen shears. And place beef onto a tray. Cut the firm tofu into bite-sized pieces. Wash spinach thoroughly and all the ingredients are set. Combine soy sauce and sake in a jar or bowl with a spout to easy handling. While waiting the sukiyaki, beat the egg used as dipping sauce. Make sure to choose pasteurized egg. Heat the cast iron sukiyaki pan or skillet on the medium-high heat using a portable gas stove. Grease the entire surface of the pan with tallow or vegetable oil. Sprinkle about a tablespoon of sugar onto the pan and let them melt. When half of the sugar melts, place a few slices of beef. Pour about a tablespoon of soy sauce and sake mixture. Cook to your liking and take it out to your egg. The first 2 to 3 slices of beef we enjoy in this way. The sugar makes beef soft and tasty. I like to eat the egg-dipped sukiyaki beef on top of hot steamed rice. Heavenly good. Place the second batch of beef in the pan. Add sake or water to prevent scorching. Add some more sugar and soy sauce and sake mixture. Cook to your liking and enjoy. Once you are satisfied with Wagyu beef, move on to the other ingredients. Add prepared ingredients into the pot and pour water as much as you need to cook. Add soy sauce and sake mixture and sugar to taste. I like the onion the best. The sweetness of cooked onion meets the savory broth from the beef makes such a wonderful flavor. Some people like to add long green onion, but I prefer onion. However, there is no rule what to add, so enjoy making your own sukiyaki. When the broth is reduced, add water or sake to prevent from scorching. Add more beef in the simmering liquid after cooking the other ingredients. In this way, you are going to have soft cooked beef. We like it as well. Last but not least, add udon noodles as the closing ingredients. It is very important to how to use up the flavorful dashi broth in pot. We call it shime, which means closing. Cook udon noodles in the pot until it absorbs all the broth and taste. It's so satisfying. I hope you will give it a try soon. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And check out my Instagram and Facebook for the daily update. The requested series of this month is over, but I will do it for sure in the future. Feel free to leave a comment and questions below. Thanks again and see you in a week. Bye!